Thanks for taking a look at the 35 call challenge. Obviously, if you're here right now, you have some interest. So let me take you inside and take a look at what we have available for you. It's going to give you a nice little walkthrough of the challenge itself. So here we are. This is inside our platform. Every day, it's a 5-day challenge. You're going to have a different lesson and a different lesson plan. So we'll start with day one. You click on your day one, you're going to get emailed ahead of time. You'll have a video to watch. Each day has a separate video on a separate topic. The videos run anywhere from 2 to about the longest is 10 minutes. You're also going to have access to our Facebook community, by the way, which is a super engaging community of other like-minded individuals that have the exact same goal. Every day you're going to have documents, anywhere from 3 to 5 different documents, which is going to be your assignment. So you'll have a different assignment. You're also going to have an amazing tracking form. And we're going to introduce a new script or a brand new tool to you on every call, a tool that's going to make you a lot more effective at what you're up to with these calls and prospecting. You're going to also have access to our drive folder so that you can track the calls, and you can also see what everybody else is doing. It's awesome. You'll see some of the information from the video, the 4 options. It talks about positioning, express offers. So on every call, at the end of the call, I'm actually there with you on the calls. We break into private groups of people and we share ahas, takeaways, and we bring it back and share everything with the community. So it's amazing. Bring it back to the main page. So again, you have 5 days, 5 lesson plans. Days 1 and 2 run about 70 minutes for the calls, and days 3 through 5 are about a 60-minute call. So the goal here is over 7 days, 5 calls, make 35 contacts, take at least one piece of business. So that's the goal with the 35 call challenge. So I hope you get registered right now. You can register right below here at 35callchallenge.com. I would encourage you to get registered right away because we are limited on how many people we get in. And if you have any questions, if you want to reach out to me, certainly feel free to reach out to me. Send me an email, david@davidihill.com. Or if you want, just pick up the phone. Give me a call, 774-314-1107. The 35 call challenge starts once a month, and it's always the last week of the month that goes into the new month. And the reason we do that is because that's one of the best days of the month to make calls. My friends, you can get registered right here at the 35callchallenge.com. Thanks, and I look forward to working with you very soon.